Hello and welcome to our guide on how to start a successful YouTube channel in 2023. YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators to share their passion, ideas, and knowledge with the world. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube presents an incredible opportunity for anyone who wants to start their own channel and share their unique voice. Here are the steps you need to follow to get started on your YouTube journey. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step in creating a successful YouTube channel is to identify your niche. Your niche is the specific topic or category that you will focus on in your videos. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge or expertise in. This will help you create engaging content that your audience will love. Step 2. Create your channel. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to create your YouTube channel. You can create your channel by signing into YouTube with your Google account and clicking on the Create a Channel button. You will then be prompted to enter your channel name and upload a profile picture and channel art. Step 3. Plan your content. Before you start creating videos, it's important to plan out your content. Create a content calendar that outlines the topics you will cover in each video and the upload schedule. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you are consistently posting content for your audience. Step 4. Record and edit your videos. Once you have your content plan in place, it's time to start creating your videos. You don't need a fancy camera or equipment to get started. Your smartphone or webcam will do just fine. When recording, make sure to speak clearly and engage with your audience. After recording, edit your videos to add any necessary effects, transitions, or music. Step 5. Optimize your videos for SEO. To ensure that your videos reach a wider audience, it's important to optimize them for SEO. This includes adding relevant keywords to your title, description, and tags. It's also important to create an engaging thumbnail that will encourage viewers to click on your video. Step 6. Promote your channel. Finally, it's time to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and other online platforms to drive traffic to your channel. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback. This will help you build a loyal following and grow your channel over time. Conclusion. Starting a YouTube channel can be a rewarding experience that allows you to share your unique voice with the world. By following these steps, you can create engaging content that will attract a loyal audience and grow your channel over time. Remember to stay consistent, engage with your audience, and have fun along the way. Good luck.